I'm going to introduce to you 3 tools I use for system monitoring, especially in Linux environment. But before we proceed, may I ask you to please subscribe to the channel, to like and to share. The first tool is htop. I've always loved and relied on htop as my go-to monitoring tool due to its simplicity, speed, and rock-solid reliability on any Unix system. It gives me exactly what I need without distractions. Clean process management and instant system. Then comes btop. Compared to htop, btop feels more modern and visually refined, with richer graphs and a smoother, more intuitive interface that makes system monitoring more engaging without sacrificing functionality. The next tool is Glances. Glances expands the idea further by offering a truly comprehensive cross-platform view of system health, including remote monitoring and a broader set of metrics beyond just processes and resources. These are some of the tools that I use mostly in work environment. I wonder if you have other suggestions. I would love to hear your opinion in the comment field below. May I ask you to please subscribe to this channel, to like and to share. Watch the next video to know more about htop. Thank you.